Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the job you spent years learning is no longer valuable. Not because of a war, not because of an economic collapse, but because of something we built ourselves. Artificial intelligence. And this warning isn't coming from a YouTuber. It's not coming from a journalist. It's coming from one of the people who created modern AI. Professor Yoshua Bengio says the next 2 years may be the most critical years in human history.
Our world is changing in many ways, and one of the things which is going to have a huge impact on our future is artificial intelligence, AI.
If you've never heard his name before, that's completely normal. But if you use Google, if your phone understands your voice, if AI can write, translate, or generate images, then you are already living in a world built on his research. Yoshua Bengio is one of the founders of modern AI, one of the scientists behind what we now call deep learning. And today, he is deeply concerned. Bengio is not saying AI is evil. He is not saying progress should stop. What he is warning us about is something far more specific, a new kind of AI. Not AI that just answers questions, but AI that sets goals. AI that makes plans, AI that takes actions on its own. This is known as Agentic AI, and once machines stop waiting for instructions and start deciding what to do next, everything changes. Because machines don't understand consequences. They don't feel fear. They don't feel responsibility. They don't stop and ask, should I do this? If an autonomous AI system causes harm, who is responsible? The programmer? The company, or the machine itself? This is where Bengio says the danger becomes real. He warns about autonomous weapons, machines that can choose targets and decide when to kill without a human pressing a button. He warns about cybercrime, AI-powered hacking, AI-powered fraud, AI-powered digital attacks at a scale we have never seen before. Banks, hospitals, power grids, all more vulnerable than ever. But there is one area where the impact will be felt first: jobs. According to the World Economic Forum, jobs that rely on repetition, clear rules, and predictable tasks are the most exposed. Not because people are bad at them, but because machines are faster, cheaper, and never tired. Jobs like data entry, basic accounting, administrative assistants, cashiers, traditional bank tellers. These jobs aren't disappearing overnight. They're disappearing quietly, system by system, automation by automation, until one day they're simply gone. But here's the part most people don't talk about. Bengio says the real danger isn't job loss. Human history has seen job loss before. The real danger is speed. Technology is moving faster than people can retrain, faster than laws can be written, faster than society can adapt. And if we don't slow down just enough to think, we may lose control entirely. That's why Bengio calls the next 2 years a critical window. Not to stop AI, but to create rules, to build safety systems, to make sure humans remain in control. Because once truly autonomous systems are released into the world, pulling them back may be impossible. This video is not meant to scare you, but if it made you uncomfortable, that's not a bad thing. Because the future is not coming slowly, it's already here. And the real question isn't, will AI change everything? The real question is, will we guide it wisely or let it guide us? If you have thoughts, share them below. And if you want to stay ahead of what's coming next, this channel exists for exactly that reason.